my name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make your very own summer crop top. This is such an easy project and I'm so excited to share it with you. I made my crop top out of the loveliest embroidered cotton, but you don't have to use embroidered cotton for this project. In fact, you can use any sort of fabric you've got lying around, as this tutorial is a great way to use up some of the leftover fabric you have from previous sewing projects. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. For this project you will need your fabric of choice. I'll leave a link to the fabric I've used for my crop top in the description of this video. Some elastic that is 2 centimeters or 0.8 of an inch wide, some matching cotton, and a pair of scissors. First things first, work out your bust measurement. For the crop top, we are basically working with 3 rectangles. The first rectangle is the main part of the crop top and will work out to be your bust measurement plus 60 centimeters or 23.6 inches by 30 centimeters or 11.8 inches. For example, my bust is 84 centimeters, so plus the 60 will equal 144 centimeters. So my rectangle works out to be 144 by 30 centimeters. Once that is cut out, we'll also cut out 2 rectangles approximately 45 centimeters or 17.7 inches by 10 centimeters or 3.9 inches. These will be the straps. So now we have 3 rectangles cut to the following measurements. Now, to make the crop, start by taking the 2 strap rectangles and fold them in half, right sides together. Then stitch together with a 1 centimeter or 0.4 of an inch seam allowance along the raw edge. Once stitched, turn the strap loops right side out, then press flat with an iron. And top stitch along each edge. Next, take the main rectangle and fold in half right sides together. Then stitch along the raw edge. Press the seam open with an iron. Then fold the raw edge over by about 1 centimeter. Then fold over again, but this time ensure there is enough space for the elastic to sit comfortably inside. Stitch the folded edge down, making sure to leave a small opening to feed the elastic through. Repeat for the other side of the rectangle, but before stitching the folded edge down, take a measuring tape and measure approximately 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches from the center back seam and pin one of the straps into the folded seam. Then flip the crop top over and match the other side of the strap at the front, again pinning into the folded seam. Do the same for the other side. Then stitch the folded edge down, again making sure to leave a small opening to feed the elastic through. Take the elastic, measure it around your waist and cut to size. Then do the same for above your bust. Next, take a safety pin and attach it to the end of your above the bust elastic and feed it through the top casing of your crop top. This takes a little bit of patience and time, but just be careful not to let go of the other end of the elastic as you gather it through the fabric. Once you have fed the elastic through fully, stitch the 2 ends together by zigzagging back and forth so they don't come apart. Next, stitch close the small opening. Then repeat this process for your waist elastic. So, how does it look? I'm so happy with how this crop top has turned out. It's just such an easy thing to throw on those really hot summer days. And I also managed to make another one in this adorable white embroidered cotton as well. This one's turned out a little bit shorter because I made it out of a little piece of scrap fabric I had, but I still love it so much and I think it's adorable. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and come find me on Instagram at Rosery Apparel if you'd like to see some of the other things I make. Thanks for watching.